In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header to Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give your form a polished, branded look using either your own image or one of Google's built-in themes. First, open your form in editing mode. At the top right of the screen, look for the theme icon. It looks like a little paint palette. Click that to open the Customize Theme panel on the right. This panel controls the visual style of your form, and the header is the most prominent piece of it. In the theme panel, find the section labeled Header. Click Choose Image. This is where you decide whether to bring in your own artwork or pick from Google's free library. Either option works great, and you can switch later if you change your mind. If you want to use your own image, select the Upload option and choose a file from your computer. A wide, high-resolution image tends to look best since the header spans the full width of the form. JPEG and PNG files are common choices. Aim for something clean that represents your brand or topic, like a logo on a simple background or a relevant photo. Keep important details away from the edges, so nothing gets cropped awkwardly. After you select the file, Forms will handle the sizing for you. If you prefer something quick and consistent, use the free theme library. You'll see a variety of collections organized by style and category. Everything from minimalist patterns to bold illustrations. These are designed to fit nicely in the header space, so you don't have to worry about formatting. Take a moment to browse through the free themes. Scroll to explore different categories, and preview the thumbnails to get a sense of how each option will set the tone of your form. Think about the mood you want: professional, playful, academic, and pick something that matches your purpose. When you found an image you like, select it to highlight your choice. This tells Forms exactly which header you want to apply. Finally, click Insert. Your new header will appear at the top of the form right away, and you'll often see the form's colors adjust automatically to complement the image. If it doesn't feel quite right, you can repeat these same steps to try another image or switch between your upload and the theme library until it's perfect. That's all it takes to add a header to Google Forms. A strong header sets the tone, boosts credibility, and helps respondents instantly recognize your form. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.